Evaluating an exponential function that models a real-world situation. If the inflation rate is 2.5% per year, the future price P of t in dollars of a certain item can be modeled by the following exponential function, where t is the number of years from today. P of t equals 600 times 1.025 raised to the t. Find the current price of the item and the price 9 years from today. Round your answer to the nearest dollar as necessary. Okay, so there's two things we're trying to find here. First, the current price of the item, and secondly, the price 9 years from today. Now, let's address this first one first, the current price of the item. There's actually two ways we can go about doing this, and I'll introduce both to you. So we know that the equation that they use to write this formula is f of x equals now times the change raised to the t, or to the x. Oh, excuse me, this one's an x. Okay? So here we see now times change raised to the variable. So we can see the current price, or the now price of the item, just by matching formulas. So we can assume that this answer is $600. Now, just to verify that, I could do a little bit of math. The current price right now, before any time has passed, I want to know how many years have passed from today, where t is a number of years. Okay, so how many years have passed from currently right now? Well, 0. So I could do P of 0 equals 600 times 1.025 raised to the 0 power. And so I'm plugging in 0 years because today is 0 years away from today. Now, anything to the 0 power I know is 1, so I get 600 times 1, which is actually just 600, which matches the guess I had just by looking at the formula. So I can guarantee that that's the current or initial price of the item. Okay? Very good. Now, the next part of the question says, find the price 9 years from today. Well, we were told that t is the number of years from today. So all we have to do is take this 9 and plug it in for t. So we're going to do P of 9 equals 600 times 1.025 raised to the 9. Okay? Just a quick note, it doesn't matter if this exponent is on the inside or the outside of the parentheses, so don't worry about that. Okay, but I'm going to need my calculator in order to do this math, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do 600 times 1.025 raised to the 9th. Okay, so here I get 749317782. Okay, but the question asked me to round to the nearest dollar as necessary. So dollars end here, so I'm going to take the one next to it and see if it's big enough to bump it up. Is a 3 big enough to bump that 9? It's not. So my answer is going to be $749. So 9 years from today, what costs $600 today is going to cost $749.